Hi guys! Today let's make homemade vinaigrette dressing. But this dressing comes with a twist. It is a vinaigrette dressing made with kimchi juice. I came up with the recipe after watching a program on TV. There was this expert saying that kimchi juice actually has more probiotic benefits than kimchi itself. So I've been thinking really hard, like what could I do? How can I consume kimchi juice? And then one day I was making my usual vinaigrette dressing and I just had a light bulb moment. I'm like, oh wow, instead of using the red wine vinegar, I can use kimchi juice instead. And I tried it and it was delicious. So I've been making it ever since and I wanted to share that recipe with you guys. Okay, so here's the kimchi juice and I have to run it through a sieve. Two optional ingredients. One is lemon zest. Sometimes I do add it, sometimes I don't. Adding lemon zest will mitigate the kimchi flavor. So if you want full kimchi flavor, please do not add lemon zest. Another optional ingredient is Worcestershire sauce. Again, this will mitigate the kimchi flavor a little bit. I don't usually add it, but you know, for this video purposes, I'll just add just a little sprinkle of that. This is ready, but not really. Vinaigrette dressing has extra virgin olive oil, but I do not add olive oil because you need to refrigerate this, and once it goes in the refrigerator, if you add it, the oil will solidify in the refrigerator. So what I do is I add olive oil when I'm making salad. Let's make the salad right now. Pour just very little bit. Salad for one. Add the olive oil and whisk. Okay, I might need a little bit more. Salad green that I pre-washed and rinsed. Onions and tomatoes. I'll taste. Very delicious. You can use this as a chicken breast marinade. Oh, but once you grill the chicken, you're going to lose the probiotic benefits, but it's tasty. And then a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Oops, I ran out. And I'm going to show you guys the one that I marinated last night. Is this. Marinate and then keep it in the refrigerator for like an hour minimum, or overnight. That's much better than grill it on the next day. And it's gonna be good. I know it. It's juicy. Let me give it a taste. It works perfect for chicken marinade. It's so tasty. This will be a great thing to add to your salad. So this is the vinaigrette dressing that we made with the kimchi juice. It's quite tasty, and I already talked about the nutritional benefits you get from consuming fresh kimchi juice. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching once again. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.